Howdy, Dale Nichols, Shade Tree Gunsmithing. Glad y'all come in to kind of visit with us this evening. What we're doing, it's a little after hours, but you know, the mail run, and we told you that when the mail come that we was going to take the 1022 project that we've been doing, and we're going to add some peep sights to it. Now right here, I'm going to walk around and throw this up in the face of the camera, and maybe it'll be close enough, I don't know. And right there is what we're putting on it. It's the GI style, of peep sight. And you know, we started building this thing to make it look like a M1. Well, when we put that big clip on it, then it looked more like an M14, so that's why we ordered the GI sights to put on it. Now before we get started, let me unlatch this thing, and you can see the clip's out of it. We done took the clip out. Run our finger up in there, kind of eyeball that baby just a little bit. Throw her in there. Alright. Now, I don't have, you know, I check my source. I've got a box of gun screws, and I thought, you know, at my age, you think about a lot of stuff, you know. But anyway, I thought that I had some 648 plugs, and I don't. So these screws are in here right now. They've not been Loctited or anything. I checked the bolt to make sure it's not hitting them, but I'm going to order, and I'm not going to video that, putting two little screws in. But anyway, so if you see these sticking up here and say, oh man, that looked like crap, well, I'm sorry, because I'd rather put a screw in there as dust to get in on top of that bolt. And you can see right down through them to the bolt. So I mean, you know, but different people do things different, and I understand that, you know. But anyway, we'll go ahead and get started with this. I guess first thing, I better get these high-tech glasses out here. Oh, there's my I can see clearly now. Oh yeah, whoop, here we go again, that singing stuff. I run my cameraman off if I sing. Now y'all know he's in a band, and so I don't want to run him off from something sounding like a hound dog yipping out here. And oh, let's see what we got here. Now you know what? For the, I'm going to say, unknowledged do-it-yourselfer, they need these, and that's the instruction. But now me, all I need out of it is the mounting screws. We'll look these things over just a little bit here. I tell you what, I believe we'll put the front side in first. Good brass punch out here. And a little pecker. People, you know, they see this, they're going to say, oh, Bill's got a little pecker. Look at that. That's what it is. But anyway, we'll turn. I better keep it halfway decent anyway. Now, if y'all thought about something that's wrong, that's your problem. That ain't mine. You know. We're just going to see where your mind's at. Now, remember that with a firearm, that when you're knocking the sights out, to take them out, you go from left to right. That's if you had the firearm shouldered, then this is your left side, that's your right side. So you would knock them that way to knock them out. And so we'll see. I don't know if I need to hang on just a second there. I've got a block, and it's in the house that you sit on here to do stuff like this. You know what? I'm gonna sit down here on my seat and do nothing. I better watch. If I set my phone there and I make a mislick, you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna knock a hole in it. And I got my girls here wanting to, let's see if we can knock this out. I may take, because I don't ever plan on putting it back. I don't know, I've got other ones. I was thinking about milling one of those down and making me a plug to go in up here where the other side's at, you know. And so while I've got it on its side, I'll go ahead and slide this up here. I'll just knock this one out while I'm at it. And out she comes. And there's the rear sight. So we got it out of there. All right, now to put it back in, you got to flip it over. All right, right here's. That's got a little set screw right here that you tighten down. Usually I got a radio going on out here, but my cameraman, he's the legal, knows all the legal stuff about it, and he says that, you know, putting it on YouTube, I can't, you know, I'd have to get permission from everybody's song that played. I'd have to get permission to put it on there. And, you know, I just said, well, I believe that I'll just pass on that. And I said, besides, that sounds so good, and they just listen to me. What do you want, Tyler? Oh, Lord, people, my girls, both of them, they can't stand it. Keep on, I'll throw you up here in the camera real quick. Now, I got news for you. These guys that I've seen, right here's my blue Loctite, right there. And I got big bottles, and you know what, as luck would have it, I took the blue, shook it, I couldn't hear nothing, you know. Of course, for me, that's nothing new anyway, you know. But opened up the lid, turned it upside down, there wasn't nothing in it. I had to order some because there's no place around here that handles it. Oh, they handle different brands, but you know what? I like the blue Loctite. Period. I know what it is. That's what I've used for years, and so that's what, you know, I want. All right, well, there it is. It wasn't that hard putting that side on, but we wanted to put one on it to make it look more like an M14, and so there's the flash guard and everything up here, and we'll you know, I just set it up there just so you can see what it would look like. And but anyway, we'll get that on there some other time or something like that. I don't know how. But anyway, like us, you know, subscribe. You know, we still not got that 25 yet. We're looking for it. And but you know, I appreciate y'all coming in this evening and sharing some time with us. And you know, we'll look forward to the next video. We're not sure yet what we're going to do. But anyway, tell your friends about us. And just remember the Shade Tree Gunsmith, Bill Nichols, and Shade Tree Gunsmithing and Leatherworking. And just, you know, enjoy the video. And we'll see you the next video.